Good morning, students. This is a class for BA Part 3 English Literature. We will be talking about a literary term, novel, today. If we try to define novel, it derives from Latin term novellus, which is an abbreviation of nonus, a new Italian term novella, which means new things. It was first used for such tales as those of Boccaccio, an Italian writer, a fictitious prose narrative of considerable length dealing with human beings and their actions over a period of time and portraying varieties of human characters in relation to life in a plot of more or less intricacy came to be called novella in Italian language. In England, the novel came to be established in the 18th century with the publication of Richardson's novel Pamela, which was written in an epistolary form in 1740. The novelist has been preoccupied with the study of character all through. It did not leave aside the element of romance altogether. The exotic and the adventurous continued to be popular in the novel side by side with the development of realism. The novel in the late 18th century, 19th century and 20th centuries had reached its fullest development as an art form. Novelists like Flaubert, Henry James, Virginia Woolf, James Joyce, E.M. Forster and Thomas Mann in their concern for their craft have made use of various devices to achieve new aesthetic form. The novel as a genre is of comparatively recent origin, although its roots may be traced back to a number of forms in the classical epics. The epic, medieval romance, and later the short prose tales popular in Italy provided entertainment to the readers. Extended prose narratives, which were mainly sequences of episodes held together by one central character, were extremely popular at one time in the past. With the development of prose tales, verse narrative declined in popularity and it has waned in the modern times. There are so many forms of novel which come very close to the modern term novel. We will try to discuss these other forms of novels which are known with other names like novelette. Novelette is a form of prose fiction of intermediate length. It is longer than a short story but shorter than an original novel. There is yet another term used, novella, which is a tale or a short story used particularly by the early tales of Italian and French writers. Many writers in the Elizabethan period, including Shakespeare, borrowed their plots from the Italian novella. Now we discuss the varieties of novels, and the first variety that we will take is the novel of the soil. Novel of the soil is a story of man's struggle against nature. This form of the novel is a product of the 20th century. It is set generally in a rural environment and its examples are Tobacco Road by Erskine Caldwell, Graves of Wrath by Steinbeck and The Barren Ground by Alan Glasgow. There are other varieties of novels and one is novel of character. Novel of character is a kind of novel which lays special emphasis upon and the representation and development of a particular character. Novel of incident. Novel in which actions and more or less unrelated episodes are dominant are called novels of incident. Plot and character are usually subordinate in such novels. Novel of manners. It's a kind of novel in which the social customs, manners, conventions, and habits of a definite social class at a particular time and place are dominant. The aim of the author in such novel is to produce in the reader a similar heightened emotional response to the actions that occur in such novel. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have any problem related to these topics, you can directly call to me. Thank you.